Gabriella, do you guys see what the Cheerios you spilled? Are you having a Cheerio party? Gabriella, are you having a Cheerio party? My little monkeys. Gabriella, are you having a Cheerio party? Did you... Filippo, look at Mommy. What are you doing with the Cheerio bag? What are you doing? Are you going to go jump in the Cheerios? Look at you two. Oh, yes, Filippo, you're trouble. Oh, look at you. Oh, Gabriella. You're having too much fun. Too much fun. Hi. Too much fun. What you doing, Gabriella? Look at the Cheerios. Look at all those Cheerios. Oh, you two. Oh, yes, I think it was you, mister, who spilled all the Cheerios.